Self-watering planters ideas. In the busy routine of modern life, many people love plants but struggle to water them on time. Self-watering planters solve this problem beautifully, allowing plants to drink as much as they need without daily attention. The idea is simple. The planter has a water reservoir at the bottom, and through a wick or soil contact, moisture slowly rises to the roots. This ensures that plants stay evenly hydrated without the risk of overwatering or drying out. You can buy ready-made self-watering pots, but making them at home is also easy. A plastic bottle cut in half, with the top inverted and a cotton wick, becomes a perfect DIY version. Clay pot systems or hidden tubes inside containers can also hold and release water gradually. These planters are especially helpful for balconies, indoor spaces, or for people who travel often. They work wonderfully for herbs, leafy greens, and even flowering plants, giving them steady nourishment. Beyond convenience, self-watering planters save water, prevent wastage, and promote healthy root growth. They bring peace of mind, knowing your plants will stay green and happy even if you forget to water for a few days. It is like giving plants their own water tank, making gardening simpler, smarter, and stress-free.